to explain the topic of API security. API security is the process of protecting programming application by regularities of handling misuse, miserable and abuse. API is critical for modern but faces many risks. This presentation will going to see about the risk and vulnerability and threats about API. Testing and verification checklist. Open API scheme, a validation on ingress, automated unit plus contract test for all flows, task scanning, API fuzzing, rate limit and abuse simulation, load test, periodic pen testing and bug bounties, secret scanning in CA and artifact repositories. Goal excessive data exposure, fixed object level authorization plus return minimal field, mass assignment, fixed whitelist accepted field, explicit PTO mapping, rate limiting, throttling and account lockout plus anomaly detection, SSRF server side request forgery, mitigate by blocking internal IPS URL array list, DNS resolution policies. Long-lived tokens, disk display and account takeover, fixed short-lived tokens plus refresh token rotation, information disclosure leads to easy exploitation, fixed sanitize errors, log full stack server side but return friendly message. Step. Effective API security requires understanding vulnerability, applying design thinking for tailored solution, and leveraging innovative tools to continuously defend against solving threats. Turn this into an unslide test section, PowerPoint, teaching slide deck, or produce a print PDF manual. Ma'am, this is a PDF. Excessive data export. APIs return full objects instead of only needed fields. Separates API endpoints to collect data. It uses DPO serial that by assignment, accepting unexpected fields and applying extra models. Through in payload to accelerate readiness. Unvalidate input fed into database or shell. Click endpoints because error message default credits. Attackers discover admin endpoints or secure logs. No detection for abuse or slow response to incidents. Low and slow measure. API use TLS everywhere. HTTPS for browsers. Private endpoints, VPC service endpoints for backend services. Thank you.
Myself, Clara, Department of Information Technology. I recently applied to API security, define hygiene checklist, empathize, intended developer, product owner, and security analyst, gather pain point, deployment friction, latency, concern complex, define example problem statement, developer need cross API, but must not be P11 or allow unauthorized transfers, convert to measurables, maintain 200 millimeter. Latency 0p11, design thinking apply to API security, define ideal prototype list, ideal brainstorm solution, API gateway enforcement, scheme validations, authorizations of secrets, friendly lists, prototype build a minimal API gateway policy, rate limit, scheme validation, and developer SDK documents or simple. Test run pen test developer and unable testing and they integrate all within 30 minutes. Now I am going to explain about the type application example. Scientific statements API. Additionally, transaction authorization, depth of authorization for high value transfer, fraud detection, non-detection, DTSS, appliances, use, topic healthcare API and healthcare API, strict data minimization, constant checks, audit rights, traffic, access, enforced scope for data accesses. Next, e-commerce inventory and pricing. Server-side pricing logic, channel price, source to prevent client tampering, rate limits to prevent price tracking. Next, social network API, protect, enforce content, moderation with logs, and rate limits to prevent tracking of profiles. Next topic, testing and verification checklist. Open API, schema validation on ingress, automated unit plus contract test for OWASP, dash scanning, rate limit and abuse simulation, periodic failure testing and bug bounties, secret scanning, CI and artifact repositories. Thank you.
Now let me conclude the session. Effective API security requires understanding vulnerability, applying design thinking for tailored solution, and leveraging innovative tools to continuously defend against evolving threats. API security is the practice of protecting application programming interface from misuse, abuse, and data compromise by applying controls across authentication, authorization, input handling, transport, runtime, infrastructure, and operational monitoring. APIs are critical for modern applications but face many risks. This presentation covers key vulnerability, threats, and best practices of secure API implementation.